working on an Arkansas headset with a new OS, report says. Bloomberg reported today that Apple is working on an augmented reality headset that it hopes to bring to market in 2020. The headset would feature its own display rather than relying on iPhone, and it would run a new spin-off from iOS in the vein of watchOS or tvOS, currently called ROS internally, for Reality Operating System. The project is one of many Arkansas-related initiatives that fall under the internal codename T288, all made by a team of several hundred engineers led by former Dolby Labs engineering head Mike Rockwell. Earlier this year, Apple hired an accomplished VR and Arkansas researcher named Doug Bowman from Virginia Tech too. The team has already produced ARKit, a software development toolkit for iOS that takes care of a lot of the heavy lifting for third-party developers who want to make Arkansas apps. In fact, the same team is also working on a new version of ARKit that would add persistence tracking features and lay better groundwork for multiplayer Arkansas experiences and games. As for the headset, Apple is reportedly developing a system on a packaged chip specifically for this device. A mass-usable prototype does not seem to have arrived yet, though. The report says that Apple is using HTC Vive headsets and an in-house design that uses an iPhone screen to test some aspects of the technology. The tech is expected to be ready in 2019, with a product for market in 2020, but the timeline is called aggressive and could, of course, be subject to change. In some ways, this report seems surprising. A headset doesn't fit Apple's usual ethos of tech that blends naturally into your life, and Tim Cook said in an interview very recently that the technology required for quality Arkansas glasses doesn't exist yet. However, he said in the same interview that he believes the spread of Arkansas will be dramatic and on the scale or importance of the adoptions of mobile apps in the Apple App Store. The iPhone 8 and iPhone X were built with Arkansas as a primary concern. Most new technological additions to those phones served the Arkansas vision in one way or another. Apple hopes we're going to see a new App Store gold rush around this technology. Apple is not the only company pursuing this potential frontier, of course. Google has ARKit, and Microsoft's efforts here are well known.